And welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can turn off the location on your Android device. So in the simplest way is just open the app menu and slide it again, and there look for the location. If you don't have this icon, click on this little pen and drag the location to the app menu. Now you can manage this option by clicking only this icon. But today there is a second way to do it. Just open the settings and go to the apps. Now expand the advanced and look for the app permissions. Now go to the location and just turn off that apps that you want to be tracked. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.